So hello guys, welcome back to Quantity Estimation and Billing Engineers. In today's session, we are going to see basics of bar bending schedule and what are the steps involved when we have to make a bar bending schedule. So in very first slide, as we can see, the basics of BBS, the first step involves is details required from general drawing, that is cover for all members, development length and hook length. So first of all, we have to refer our general drawings where we will get the details of cover, what are the cover for our all the members, what is the development length for our reinforcing bar, and what are the hook lengths which has to be followed. In step number 2, as you can see, this step will help you to make BBS look very easy. So what is this step number 2 is, split your single bar into multiple segments. This will help you to understand the tedious geometry of bar in easy way. So let us see how to split bars in multiple segments. So consider an example given below having clear cover of 30 mm on all the sides. So here is our example. We have a certain chhajja type of section where you can see the dimensions of the element as shown in the figure. So we will see how we can split the members into individual segments. So first of all, we will consider this reinforcement as A. So as you can see over here that this A, what we are going to do is, as we can see, this reinforcing bar is starting from this point. The length is 1000 mm, then it is traveling into this offset which is of 200 mm. So what we will do is, first of all, we will add 1000 plus 200, 1000 plus 200. Then what we have to do is, we have to deduct the clear cover of 30 mm. So we will deduct 30 mm from this length. So the first length is ready with us, that is 1000 plus 200 minus 30. In the second step, what we will do is, we will split the vertical bar and term it as element B. Now we have to calculate length of this vertical bar B. So as we can see this, the length would be this 450 mm plus 200 mm minus one time cover here and minus second time cover over here. So what it will be, 450 plus 200 minus 60, that is 30 from top, 30 from bottom. So we will deduct 60 mm. Similarly, now we will take this reinforcing bar and term it as C. So what will be the length of this bar is 200 minus 30 over cover here, 30 mm cover over here. Similarly, we will split again the element and term this bar as D. Again, this length will be equal to 200 minus 60, that is depth 200 minus 30 mm of cover over here and 30 mm cover at top. Then we are going to split this reinforcing bar and we will term it as E. So what this length will be now, 1500 plus 1200 minus 30 cover over here and minus 30 cover over here. So it will be 200 plus 1500 minus 60. And the last, we will take this vertical bar, term it as F, and this length will be equal to 200 minus 30 minus 30. So it will be 200 minus 60. So in this way, we have to split our complete assembly into multiple segments at the point where our reinforcing bar is getting bent. For example, this was the complete reinforcing bar. So we have splitted A at the point where we have observed first bend. Then we have taken a bar B, taken till the point where we observe second bend. Then we have considered C till next bend, then D again till next bend, then E again till next bend, and then considered F. So what we will do is, at the last we will sum up each and every length, that is A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F. Then what we are going to do is, we are going to deduct bend deductions for the locations where we have bends. For example, this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have 5 bends of 90 degree. So what we are going to do is, we are going to deduct 5 into 2 into diameter of this reinforcing bar as a bend deduction. So what will be our final cutting length is A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F minus 5 times into 2 into dia of bar. So this was the basic of the BBS, that you have to split your entire assembly into multiple segments at the point where you will observe your first bend. So we are going to come up with a complete series of BBS. As you can see the schedule given below, the same will be mentioned in the description. So you can go through the description to check the schedule when we are going to upload our next chapter on BBS. So till that time, please subscribe our channel to get latest updates for upcoming series of BBS. Do like this video if helpful. Share this with your friends for the benefit of all. Thank you very much.